Okay guys, so what I've got here is a little beveler. I made it myself. I probably could have bought one online, but being okay with wood and having a lot of it, I put together one myself. I went down to the hardware store and I bought one of these planer replacement blades. And I think there's 3 in a pack or so, and it fits perfectly into there. I drilled 2 little holes in, put some washers over the top and then some screws inside and tighten them up really well. And it's just a fraction above the actual wood. Now for this I've got 2 pieces of wood, I've glued them together, and the same on this side. And then I've split about almost a centimeter. I think it's about 7 millimeters between the two. It probably could have been a lot less now that I look at it, but at the time it seemed, suitable. And then I've got a couple of pieces of wood on the side, which are around about 2.5 centimeters, so they can sit flush on the table. And there's that gap underneath. So basically, I have my soap here, and it's a little freckly. Like there's little spots of colors and things like that. So I thought if I put this across the planer, it would be nice and smooth. But what's actually happened is while I'm moving it across, my thumb is here to try and push it, and it's really close to the blade, and I almost cut my finger. Like this thing is super sharp. So you gotta be pretty careful. So I've made this little tiny device to help me, because my hands are my craft. So I put the soap on the cutter, and this side's the blade. And then I put this piece, which is smaller on this side than the actual soap. So as you can see, there's a gap down here underneath. So I can push it through. So I'm going to put my soap down. I'm going to put this on top, and then I can hold somewhere. I'm going to put something here so I can hold it properly, but then I can just slide it through. And there we go. So the bit that came off was that piece. And as you can see, it's quite thin. So that's one side. We do the other side. And there's the other side. So now we've got both of them. So because this is a blade that's sticking up just a little bit, I can put these on an angle, and I don't have a groove to go for at this stage, but I may put one like on another device that I make. I put this on an angle, so it's like that, and I just slide it through. And there we have a nice little bevel. I'll do the other side. It's not perfect. Like some of these are a little bit off, as you can see this one down here. I'm not very good at this. I just thought I'd make this tool for the bit of fun. But now there doesn't have those sharp edges that everyone loves. So that seems to be working quite well. I think I'll try and refine this a little bit more, and maybe get some wood made specifically, because I don't have the tools to be able to cut this sort of thickness on an angle. See these pieces at the bottom here, they need to be on a 45-degree angle so the blade can stick in there. And I can't do that with the tools that I've got. So I may have to look into that if I want to make another one. But for the moment, this one works. It's a little uneven, but that's okay. I'm used to that kind of thing. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you that, what I've been working on. If you're ever using one of these, try and make one of these. They're not that hard. It's 2 little tiny pieces of wood, with a couple of screws in the back just to hold it together, just so you can slide it through, protect your fingers. All right, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.